Going out in the storm. This is the last time I will ever see my son and daughter. So, say goodbye.
Have fun, Dad.
Bye, Mary.
Hi.
Quit your cheering over there.
Me cheering? No.
I'll see you guys later. Here we go.
Bye-bye.
Into the darkness here. Across the vast escapes. There's the puppy. Can't see that. Up the stairs. Through the kitchen. Out into the entryway. And out into the storm. It's been snowing for most of the day, off and on. Blowing a great old nor'easter. You can see some quite exciting drifts out here. Big old drift here. I just walked in here like 3 minutes ago. Oh, these tracks are still here. I was in the garage for an hour and these tracks completely filled in. There she blows! You can see her getting some driftage off the roof. Slow going here. Here's a shallow spot. Dude, that thing almost hit me. I don't know if you can see anything out here. I'm just walking down the driveway in a blizzard. I love blizzards. I love winter snow. I love storms. There's the old homestead. We're gonna be digging out, it sounds like, since that tractor won't start up. Looks like the mailman didn't even make it today. There's the homestead. We'll go up the other side of the driveway here. It's about to the top of my boots. And Leah just shoveled this morning. It's not worth shoveling with this wind filling it in. Well, now it's up to my knees. Now it's ankles. I love it out here. I love it when the weather's kind of crazy. Gets you in touch with God. Look at that raging and blowing. If you can even hear me. Oh wow, look at that. Big old berm around the garage here. Huh. No snow. Right here, it's all washed out. And then it grows deeper and deeper again. Knee deep right here in the lee of the garage. And here's a tractor beast that won't start. Maybe it'll start for the video. I'd love to go out and clear out the snow. You know, don't you know? Let's give her a shot here. Give her a shot here. And then she floods over. Give up for tonight again. Oh well. Let's head back to the house. We've seen enough. We've seen enough out here. Put my glove on. Get bundled up. Huh. I wonder if I can use my nose when this camera like fades out. Lights. Yeah, we plowed this out, shoveled this out like 3 or 4 times. This passageway to our other exit to the house. That's the dog house right here. Yep, dog house. And this is over my knees right here in this drift. There's Leah's grow light. It's glowing. All right, whew. And then here, ankle deep. And we've got the shovels inside so that we can shovel out the door from the inside. Because if we don't, we'll never get it closed again. There's my bathroom. Yeehaw! Gotta love it. think I'm gonna ride this drift in here. See the rock sticking out there? Oh, there's a rock right there. In the lee of the house here, ankle deep. Oh, what a night. Late December back in '63. What a very special time for me. Oh, lady, what a night. All right. I wasn't even alive in '63, but I still love the song. Whoa, that's a cool drift. I'll have to check this out in the morning. Good night, everybody.